Being ignored can be more dangerous than being disliked. Because if nobody notices you, nobody remembers you. And if nobody remembers you, your talent has little chance to influence anyone. This is the idea behind Law 6, court attention at all costs. Attention creates visibility. Visibility creates recognition. And recognition can create opportunities, influence, and perceived importance. But attention alone is worthless. The real power comes when people notice you for something valuable. Consider the famous rivalry between Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. In the late 19th century, electricity was transforming the world. Edison became one of the most recognizable inventors of his era, not simply because of his technical work, but because he understood how important public attention could be. He demonstrated inventions publicly, promoted his work aggressively, built a recognizable public image, and attracted investors and journalists. Tesla was different. He was extraordinarily inventive, developed important ideas around alternating current, and became a key figure in the electrical revolution. But his relationship with business, money, and publicity was far more complicated. As competition between electrical systems intensified, the battle was not only about technology, it was also about public perception, commercial backing, and whose story people remembered. This does not make Edison simply the villain, or Tesla simply the forgotten genius. Their rivalry was far more complicated than that. But it reveals an important truth. Being brilliant and being recognized are two different things. Why does attention matter? Because people cannot respond to what they never notice. Visibility increases familiarity. Familiarity can make something easier to remember. And when people repeatedly encounter a person, idea, or brand, that presence can begin to feel important. Attention creates curiosity. Curiosity creates conversation. Conversation can build reputation. Imagine two employees with equal skill. One quietly does excellent work, but never communicates what they accomplish. The other does equally good work, shares useful ideas, presents results clearly, and makes their contribution visible. When a promotion or opportunity appears, who is more likely to come to mind? The second person. Not necessarily because they are better, but because they are remembered. This applies everywhere: careers, business, leadership, networking, and social media. But there is a dangerous misunderstanding here. Courting attention does not mean becoming obnoxious. It does not mean manufacturing controversy, exaggerating achievements, lying, or chasing every viral moment. That is empty attention-seeking. Strategic visibility is different. Show your work. Share useful ideas. Speak when you have something valuable to say. Build a recognizable identity. Let people understand what you can do. The goal is not to make everyone look at you. The goal is to make the right people remember you for the right reasons. Because you can be talented, hardworking, and brilliant, but if nobody notices, your influence may remain invisible. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Not attention for its own sake. Attention that turns value into visibility and visibility into influence.